before Hermine begins to lash our shores with wind and rain and surge and coastal flooding and just basically nasty day tomorrow. Um, these clouds here are coming in from the east-northeast right now, courtesy of Hermine. These little clouds are not associated with Hermine. Actually, they are partly, but these clouds are coming in from the east-northeast because of the wind field of Hermine. We're already inside the wind field of Hermine. We're just not seeing tropical storm force winds. We're already getting the winds from Hermine, which are light, relatively really, really light, but we're already getting an easterly wind. But the winds right now are more light. So I would say right now the winds are east at like 5 miles an hour. See, the winds are already coming in from the east-northeast. This is facing the southeast right now. So the winds are coming in from the east-northeast right now. The winds are locked, I would say, at 15 to 20 miles an hour. Winds at the surface are very light right now. They're light because the storm is still far away. The storm is about 600 miles away. These are still fair weather cumulus clouds that yesterday were coming in out of the north, but the wind field from Hermine is already causing the counterclockwise swirl like this. So say Hermine is here, New York City's here, the wind field is sort of like this, strong winds here and lighter winds on the outside. The winds are like this. Outside they're light, as you get inside they get stronger. You get closer to the center where the winds are very fast. Same thing with black holes. If our sun suddenly became a black hole, still a one-mass black hole, the only thing we know is that our sun disappeared. We will still be on the same orbital trajectory and everything. All the planets will be on the same exact trajectory. Because the mass of the sun hasn't, of the black hole hasn't changed from the mass of the sun. Same thing with a hurricane. A hurricane, on the inside will swirl very, very, very fast to the point that air is going to eventually sink inward, at the center of the eye, like how gravity sucks in light at the center of a black hole, even if it has a mass of the sun. And also, it's how winds in the far outside of the hurricane, there are some effects, but very light. Another analogy is like in a tornado. The closer you get, say you're within 500 feet of a tornado, you're going to be having trees falling down around you, shingles, roofs peeling off, and if it's a huge tornado, even your whole roof might fall off. Say you're 3 miles from a tornado, even 4 miles from a tornado, where you're not getting the RFD or the inflow. Maybe on the north side, you'll be getting some stronger easterly winds from the circulation of the tornado. Maybe not 90, 100 miles an hour, but maybe 20, 30 miles an hour. And if you're like maybe 5 miles from the tornado, or just close enough you can see, you might get a little bit of an effect from the tornado. You might not be seeing F0 winds, but you might be getting a light breeze, or maybe some of the winds from the storm. Once you get within 3 miles of a tornado, you'll start seeing effect. But again, this is about Hermine. Hermine, we're already getting a wind effect from Hermine, just about 1,000, 2,000 feet above us, even on the surface. See, the winds are already strong enough to start picking up newspapers. So there's still a breeze going on from Hermine, and the winds are only going to get stronger as the day continues. By the end of the day, the wind should be 15, 20 miles an hour, enough to make the trees start swaying a little bit, smaller trees. And by tomorrow, winds should be 20, 30, gusting to 50, and Monday, more of the same, maybe even up to 60 miles an hour if the storm decides to retrograde westward. However, I looked at the latest models, and the latest computer models are showing the storm not coming too far west. So that's the good news. Because the storm is going to go further west than expected, or further east now than what I saw last night. Because last night I was thinking this could be another Sandy. Now I'm retracting that, based on what I saw with the latest guidance. I'm definitely retracting what I said about Sandy. So that's the good news. this will not be another Sandy. But for the Jersey Shore, it could be comparable. Like, it could be close to Sandy, but it will not be worse. Well, thank you for watching. Have a great day. Bye. And I'll make another video probably later this afternoon. Thank you for watching. Bye.